guys, and welcome once again to our channel, Cool Case Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here at the most magical place on earth, Disney Magic Kingdom. And in this video, guys, we're gonna basically bring you all the Christmas time celebration. What that means is that Christmas parties over. The Mickey's Very Merry Christmas parties are over, but all the Christmas time celebrations are happening as of today, December 23rd. And we're here to share it with you. We're gonna watch the parade, we're gonna watch the stage show, we're also gonna watch the fireworks. So what are you thinking about that? We didn't make it this year to the party.
No, but this is really good. I'm excited because we didn't get to see the party this year, so basically we get to see it this time.
All right.
I'm excited.
You're excited too?
I'm excited because last year also poured, so.
It was raining, you're right.
I get to see it.
We have a good experience last year.
There you have it. Anyway, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, family content, theme parks such as Disney and Universal, we highly suggest that you stick around because we got a bunch to show you. And also, we suggest that you
subscribe
and smash that like button.
If we're sharing any valuable content with you. Fam, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it. Just want to give you a quick shot of how Main Street is looking currently at this moment. It happens to be 2:13. Dapper Dance happen to be singing there in the background. We're waiting on what I think is the best spot to watch any parade, which will be right here in front of what they currently have, the Christmas tree. So if you make it to this area and walk yourself here to the front, you get a shot of all the floats turning over here with the character.
What do you recall? The most famous reindeer of all. Magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Frosty the Snowman his way.
There you have it, guys, the Dapper Dance here on Christmas Eve. Always fun to watch these guys. And now we're currently waiting until the parade starts. The parade starts today at 3 p.m. Only half an hour. Honestly, not bad of a wait though. Just want to share really quick that it's currently 3:11. If you're sitting around this area, keep in mind that the parade takes a good 15 to 20 minutes to get down here because the parade starts from Frontierland. And exactly 3:16, we heard the music going. The parade is heading this way, right on Main Street. Was throwing kisses to the baby. That was so damn cute. Look at her. That's one of Kyla's favorite princesses, believe it or not. And I'm actually digging her car. Her car's tag says Sweet One. The light bulbs are also on. It's pretty neat. She's very cute too. Look at her. Comment down below. it's brand new this year? Let me know. I don't recall seeing in previous years. Very cute parade. I'm so glad we made the decision to come here and today and see it. Oh, here comes Clarabelle right there. Best part about Clarabelle is the actual smell.
Yeah. That's so good.
Smell like ginger.
It's not good though. Then you get hungry.
I know. Smells like ginger as we're in front of the confectionery. There's the man Goofy. Very nice. Check out the 7 Guarva. They come down on Main Street also. Very nice. If you're a fan of the 7 Dwarf, perfect opportunity for you guys to see it here in the parade. Now this is the cutest thing. I love seeing this. I want to point out that even though we actually have this view over here, the parade ends far behind us. So you can still let you turn around if you make it on time and watch the end of the parade again. The next flow has a bunch of princesses and prince. Happy holiday to everybody watching us from home. Super cute. That looks fun, Karen. Yeah, she's controlling us. Yeah. She's even having fun. That's Santa's workshop, guys. That's very pretty. Santa's workshop. Some of the Toy Story soldiers. Pretty neat. That's pretty cool. Look at that. There's the Big Sur Ball, the character from Toy Story. Right behind them, I see the toy soldiers coming. It's pretty cool. Woody actually controls how, I'm going high and I'm down. There you go. Hi, Woody. Oh, I love this part over here. This is pretty neat. Look at this. Fun fact, this is the first time that all the toy soldiers returned since before the pandemic. No only gift, there's reindeers. That's pretty neat. There is the man, Santa Claus. Oh, he already said it. By the time that we drop this video, it's gonna be tonight. So he already said it. I'll see you tomorrow night. Definitely one of the busiest guys in the world, if not the busiest. That's awesome. See, that's what I was referring on. We were here, you could actually turn over here and actually see them exiting once again. Now that the party's over, they're selling the exclusive merchandise that is left from the party. So $79.99, yeah. Look at Kyla.
My favorite part is
are getting better with asparagus.
I know. They're realizing this is Florida, people. We cannot cook them. Now, really quick though, what was your favorite part?
The Toy Story.
Toy Story for the parade?
Skating section.
And then the Nutcrackers.
The Nutcrackers
I
too?
like that part.
But one thing that got me mad is that they have Vanellope, but they don't have Wreck-It Ralph.
I said that.
That would be cool.
That was not his idea. That was my idea. I said that. And
That'll
in
be-
the live too.
I know. Now, by the way, this is how you cut budget coming to the theme park, by bringing your own lunch here. You gotta do what you gotta do, because things are expensive around here, guys. So now, well, we already make reservations to go to Haunted Mansion, and after that, we're probably gonna do another ride until we could do the actual stage show and the fireworks. That's what we're gonna continue to do around. At the moment I'm recording, the Jingle Cruise happens to be at 110 minutes. You can see by all of this, you can see a massive crowd down there. Very normal during this time of the year. Damn, that's messed up though. Paris happened to be down at the moment of recording. It was up about 10 minutes ago. Just want to give you an update here at Tiana's Bayou. And now they normally I come here it's during the night, but now that it's during the day, I can see the actually tiara on top of the employee-owned Tiana's food. Look at all the work that continues to go over here. Expected to open sometime in 2024. Big Thunder Mountain happens to be at 85 minutes, and the line is nuts. It actually starts back here. That extended queue line starts at the bridge, and as of December 23rd, Santa Claus still meeting people over here, which is kind of neat. So we happen to be here by Liberty Square, and the line for Haunted Mansion starts over here by the riverboat landing. And if you have line in lane like us, actually it's a huge advantage to have it right now. Definitely having the line in lane is a huge advantage, because you just caught a whole bunch of people. So finally inside the Haunted Mansion, where we're gonna get to see the Hatbox Ghost for the first time. There he is, right over here. Very different from the one in California, definitely. At the time of recording, the standby for It's a Small World happens to be at 35 minutes. Peter Pan, on the other hand, 70 minutes. Currently, Seven Dwarf happens to be at 130 minutes. Meanwhile, Winnie the Pooh, hour. We just decided to stop by Star Trader, where they're actually selling the merchandise for the Mickey Bear and Merriest event still. I really like that shirt a lot. And I am digging this New Year shirt. Look at this. 2024 Happy New Year. That's pretty neat. Obviously we have seen the 2024 merch around, but I haven't seen this one yet. Assuming it has to be, doesn't tell me the price, it has to be $29.99. Currently at a 60-minute wait, the Star Commando headquarters, Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger, happens to be at a 60-minute. We do have a line in lane, so hopefully we will probably wait like 10 minutes the most. Hopefully, finger crossed. And when you have line in lane over here, in less than 5 minutes, you're basically here. Right. So here we are, Kyla and I, competing once again. Hopefully my gun is working. Let's see who gets the most. We ready? All right, let's do this. This is my highest record at this point, 947,700. Very short to be a galactic hero, and I lost it. Once again, lost it because of my own daughter. And I had no idea that the Collective 5 were gonna be here. And you could only, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, you could only see them during the Christmas party. So they're being performing today, apparently. I had no idea of that.
And we're gonna shake it together! Here we go! Shake it, baby! Shake it, baby!
It's kind of cool how the performers come over here, right? Wow. They the move. What? Apparently, Karen used to manage that guy who wasn't red, and he remembered her. So he came to her multiple times. Nice show though. Nice show. This thing is gonna be the Tomorrowland Speedway simply because they do have an overlay during the party. We want to see they're actually doing it today as well. This time I'm actually heading with Kaleo. Let's see if I survive. Wish me good luck, people. Wish me good luck. And I'm a bit disappointed because they had no overlays running tonight. I don't know why. Come on, Disney. Normally, all of this would have had lights if we would have done the party. And something over there would have had lights. This is not lit up, but for whatever reason, that is lit up. Only 4 of those bubbles are lit up. And they have some music going on. What the heck is going on, Disney? This is gonna be the interesting part, guys, because we already have people waiting for their fireworks, holding on their places. And then you got the stage show over here. That's what we're trying to have. It's the current view that we have of the stage show. It's a cute show. Same show as last year. We were able to watch it, obviously with less people when we did the party. So that's another advantage of doing the party. But hey, we can save the money. Let's do it.
Season's greetings.
Happy holidays!
Welcome to our most merriest celebration.
Merry Christmas!
Happy holidays.
We wish you the merriest, merriest, the merriest!
Gosh, it looks a lot like Christmas. Right, gang?
With all the decorations!
And presents.
And friends!
Whoa, wait a minute. We're missing Donald.
Huh, I wonder where he is.
I really hoped he'd be here by now.
Though you're far from me, say you'll be our lead.
That's extraordinary!
Choose just the right emoji, one that makes me tell us.
Been a long time to be missing you. You think all in place. There is one thing to Please help me welcome my dear friend, the diva of dairy, Miss Clarabelle Cow!
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need.
All I want for Christmas is you!
Keep on wanting from mistletoe.
Want you for my own, more than you ever know. To think of it come true, or maybe I
Merriest celebration show. What do you thought about that?
I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it? Was it as good as last year?
Yes,
Yeah. How about you?
It was okay.
Was okay?
I think I like last year's show.
You like last year's show better? All right.
For me, it didn't catch my attention. It was boring.
Was boring. Oh, ooh, that was tough. Anyway, guys, we're here in the middle of Main Street simply because we have to be away from that big crowd in front of the castle. We definitely needed to escape, and this is where we're choosing to watch the fireworks tonight. This is as close as we're gonna get to see little snow here in Florida. They just shut off the snow machine. Currently, we have a cast member telling everybody to stand up and actually move forward. That way, more people can feed. I'm staying where I am because I'm actually moving back. I'm actually heading out of here as soon this is over because I don't want to be stuck with everybody else. I think the Christmastime fireworks are going to be here until December 29th, and then on December 30th, that's when they start the New Year's the New Year's fireworks. machines here in Main Street. That's the end of Minnie's Christmastime Fireworks. Pretty cool, right? Nothing better than being here in Main Street.
Hello, we're back.
Alrighty guys, today you have it here from Disney Magic Kingdom. We hope you were able to enjoy this vlog. A lot of things that we did today brought some magic for you for the Christmas time.
And some reality.
Yeah. honestly, what do you thought about those fireworks?
I think the fireworks are better than the stage. Like, I honestly would skip the stage.
Okay, Karen?
I love the fire. I'm a firework kind of girl, so I love them.
Okay, Kalel?
Me too. I liked it more.
You enjoy the fireworks in the stage better than the stage show?
The stage show, I found it boring.
You did? Alright guys, so there you have it, our honest feedback as usual. Now, the goal is to try to get head out of here on a decent time. Anyway guys, sadly this adventure has ended. With that said, we gotta remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button, turn the bell notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. If you free, comment down below as number 2.
smile, how be great.
Be cool.
And also see you guys next adventure.
Bye guys.
Boom, boom, boom.
See ya. Bye.